You probably already guessed it, but this is the POV of Expedition Zork in Toverland.
This water. Yeah, it's a special place to turn right. Look at the goats. That goat was looking the other way last time. Hold on the rails, it says. Whoa! Whoa! Oh yeah! This. Oh, Jesus. Oh my God, look at that. It's wet.
I hope you enjoyed that. Please give this video a like and I'll make more for you. Subscribe if you want to see the next video, and I'll see you next time.